Welcome to FunShine Express, Early Learning Curricula. Today, I'm excited to show you what we carefully pack into every Buttercups monthly infant toddler box. On your first order, we send you a starter pack containing wall displays and more colorful items you'll be able to use all year with your children. This includes a starter guide that will give you confidence when using this curriculum in your classroom. Now, let's explore what you'll receive in your curriculum and how to use it. The Buttercups box contains supplies for 2 months of thematic teaching and learning. The teacher pack is filled with hands-on teaching materials to keep infants and toddlers engaged. But the curriculum guide is the most important item in your box. It includes daily lesson plans with activities and child development tips. We've designed this guide with clear instructions and images that correspond with each labeled activity. Every month, you will also receive 3 sturdy books and durable play manipulatives to use with the current themes. Take-home newsletters are also included to send with each child. But there is so much more. And have you noticed how organized everything is? We include 12 age-appropriate art activities with children's supplies divided by project, so there is no guesswork. And when you order, you'll be able to specify how many children are in your classroom. That way, we send you the exact amount of materials you'll need per child prepped for each activity. FunShine curricula are designed to save you time, so you can spend more time interacting with your children with easy-to-use, flexible daily lesson plans, and is delivered right to your door. Ready to simplify your day and create excitement for learning? Order your box today at funshineexpress.com.